Hey everyone, my name is Matthew, and you might be watching this video because your website is dead and it's a drain on your small business. Don't worry though, because I have a tip for you. So when you first started, the domain providers probably told you that your website would be up in minutes, it's going to be dirt cheap, and maybe even AI is going to put it together for you. But what they don't tell you is that your website can become stale or outdated in under a year. Your staff changes, your business might change just a little bit, and photos become dated. Phone numbers, addresses change, and if you don't have someone who's thinking about your website, you might forget. The reason this is important is because it represents you and it represents your company, and the younger your customer is or potential customer is, the more likely they are to visit your website before they actually contact you. So I've done the same thing. I've had subscriptions that I'm paying for that are being wasted, that I'm not taking advantage of. And so these tips are going to help you avoid that. I have the pleasure of working full-time in tech, media, advertising, and printing. I've worked over 15 years with nonprofits and small businesses to create or maintain or to revive their websites. So this first tip is going to sound really easy, but it's really helpful. The first thing you want to do is start scheduling time for yourself during your work hours to think about your website. And what we're talking about is a calendar event or a reminder. If you have a team, you might want to include them in this. You can write it out on your paper calendar, or if you prefer electronic, you want to have that event repeating every day during your work hours so that you start thinking about it during work. It doesn't matter if you don't get to it every day, but you want to start the routine now so that it's easier in a few months. I know that sounds easy, but it's a really great first step. If you're already thinking about your calendar and you know you cannot do this, and also you don't have a team member who could handle this for you, I would love to actually help. So if you'll visit my website, you can contact me and I could just give you ideas, or I would love to work with you. If you're more of a hands-on person, I'm actually starting a new class called the Profitable Website Blueprint. During a 12-week program, we meet online together, and I actually provide an outline that's going to help you revive your website. And during the class, everyone is welcome to provide tips and things that they've done themselves while I guide the class and again share my 15 years of experience. So please subscribe to this channel for more tips and visit my website if you have any questions or if you'd like to RSVP for the class now. My website has all of the pricing information and ways to contact me. So please keep watching for more tips, and I hope they help you revive your website and bring it back to life.